Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And as we all know, my dear friends, that gold has become volatile again. Yesterday, when the market was waiting for the FOMC minutes, things changed before FOMC. And it was because of the US President Donald Trump again. If you are part of a Telegram community or WhatsApp group, then you must know because I already uploaded. And the reason was gold falls 2% after Trump says Iran ceasefire is over, fueling inflation worry. So this was the main reason we saw big red candles on the chart of gold suddenly yesterday. And the fireworks happened before the FOMC. And obviously after this type of news, market was under pressure. And now we can see that gold tried to go up after making a high of 4092. Gold is going down again. So if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position because the market is under pressure. And if you look at the current market sentiment, then it has not changed yet. The Middle East tension is still dominating the market. Gold dips as Mid-East hostilities revive inflation concerns. Gold flat amid renewed Mid-East fighting Fed minutes. So more or less you can say that market is under pressure and gold is back on the seller's track again. But here one thing we need to keep in mind is that 4,000. 4,000 is a key level. Remember, 4,000 was acting as a magnet few days ago. Gold was trading below 4,000, gold was trading above 4,000, and we were not getting clarity. So market is again heading towards 4,000 again. So if gold stays near 4,000, then obviously trading will be difficult for us again, because when we do not have a clarity regarding the trend of the market, it becomes difficult for us to trade. And yesterday, when the sudden drop came on the chart of gold, obviously, we were not ready. My SL was also hit. But later on, when I again gave a new analysis, things went okay. I won't say that very good, because we were expecting a bounce here. It did not come, but overall, this selling point did a fine job, and still we can see that 4092 is acting as a resistance for the market. Anyways, if you're looking for a timely updates, analysis, and a regular blueprint, you are most welcome to be a part of our WhatsApp community. And for that, you don't need to pay any monthly fees. You just need to open your trading account under our referral. So feel free to join. The link is in the description. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So first and foremost, let's discuss the 4092, which is acting as resistance. My dear friends, 4092 at this moment is acting as resistance, and yesterday on the WhatsApp group I mentioned about this level. Simple reason was the previous support would act as resistance. But here we need to keep in mind that already it has done the job. So today there is a possibility that 4092 may not work, and 4092, it means 4100. You can see we have a red line here as well. So during the day, if market goes up again, listen to me carefully. We have two possibilities. First and foremost, market would go up. After some liquidity grab, market would come down. If it happens, we can look for a sell position. Means do not buy immediately at breakout. So if you see that market is going up, let the market settle down first. When market will be coming down, go for a sell below 4100. Yes, you can go for a sell below 4100 after liquidity grab. This is opportunity number one. And the opportunity number two is you can buy at breakout, but you need to be careful. Let me show you when can we buy. Suppose we see the market has gone up, and you see market consolidating around 4080, 4070 for 2 hours, 3 hours. If you see market is consolidating, then there's a possibility that a breakout will come. After consolidation, if a breakout comes, then we can look for a buy at breakout above 4092 or 4100. To be honest, I'm not much convinced, because yesterday, two of my SLs were gone. Okay, so today I do not want to take risk. So if a breakout come also, personally I will prefer to buy at pullback. Means when 4092 4100 will act as support, I will try to go for a buy, because yesterday two of my SLs were compromised. Okay, one trade did well, 4092, but still I do not want to take the risk. So it's up to you. We can sell after a liquidity grab, okay, below 4100, or we can go for buy at breakout if a consolidation comes and then a breakout. And if you want to play safe, then you can look for buy at pullback as well, when 4092 4100 will become the new support. So these are the trading opportunities if market goes up from here. And during the day, if market comes down, then we have a support zone here as well. What is the support? Where is the support? 4027 4022. This is the support zone on the chart of gold. Yes, we are talking about support zone here, and we are also talking about a possibility of buy here as well. Why? The market is being dominated by sellers. My dear friends, okay, I would like to show you one thing here. Okay, look at the diagram carefully. You can see market is no longer forming lower lows here. Okay, obviously there is a possibility that market may fall below 4000 as well, isn't it? Okay, but as a day trader, see, I'm talking about day trading here. As a day trader, okay, if we see market is trying to take support around 402721, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, yes, we can look for a buy position. I'm not saying that after coming to 4025 market will be going up like this. Those days are gone when market used to come to support and market used to go up. Trading has changed completely. Nowadays there is no correlation between theory and reality. Okay, so here I'm not saying that after coming to support market will be going up. Nobody can predict that, but at least when market will be coming to 402722, if market takes support, if market shows price rejection from below, at least we can expect 2 or 3 green candles on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so if market takes support, we can look for a buy position. But in case, my dear friends, okay, if we see that market has come to support with a big red candle, okay, big red candle, then obviously we need to use a common sense, forget about the possibility of buy. Then what you can do is, okay, if you want, you can look for a sell below 2221. So things are a little bit dicey here, okay, how the market is going to respond here, because the market was in downtrend, but at this point of time there is a possibility that market may try to go up again. And on the chart of gold, you can see I have also drawn 2 dotted lines here, 4048 and 4036. Okay, these are minor levels. If you're a scalper, okay, if you're a scalper, then you can look for a quick buy opportunity, okay, around these 2 areas. Suppose after hitting 4048 4049, okay, if you are looking for 50-60 pips, then you can try to score here. Okay, are they reliable levels? No, they are not reliable levels, but at least you can expect 1 candle here, 1 candle here. Okay, the only reliable support is 4027 4022. Okay, and in case the selling pressure intensifies, then obviously market will go below this as well. मतलब selling pressure को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, इसे तोड़ भी सकता है, because overall chart is under pressure. But right now we can see some transition, but time will speak. Okay, if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the WhatsApp community or in the Telegram group. If you are still not a part of WhatsApp group or Telegram community, feel free to join. Telegram community is free for everyone, and for detailed analysis and updates, okay, you are most welcome to be a part of our WhatsApp group, okay, where you need to open your trading account. That's it, okay, under us, with a deposit of $200, okay, because this is something, okay, we want to run the group, because when you trade from your trading account, a little commission is generated, and that helps us to keep the things running. Okay, so this is the present scenario right now, and let's wait and watch. Okay, let's wait and watch. Today 4100 is going to act as a important level. during the day or during the US session. If market breaks 4100 or a successful breakout comes, then we can expect a temporary upside again. So everything is temporary these days. Temporary upside again. Let's wait and watch. Okay, I will update. Right now, nothing much to discuss here. Already I have discussed so many things. I know you guys are puzzled up. I'm extremely sorry. I try to keep my videos simple, but when things are not simple, I'm also helpless. Bye bye.